Hi, Katie. Lonnie Corley, just doing an Oreo cookie review. I thought this would be a little bit more different, a little bit more personable, instead of just doing a written Oreo cookie review based on the mini assignment number 3. So let's go right ahead into it. Your technologies, all of them were great. I really enjoyed reviewing each and every one of them. Saved to the Google Drive extension was really different. I mean, something I never really was familiar with. Peer Deck, EdFlow, HapYak, and EdPuzzle were all really contemporary technologies. I like the fact that they were also web-based and app-based, that you can be able to use them for different applications, not just in the classroom, but possibly remotely as well. I also like the fact, Katie, that when you talked about some of these were used for business as well as in the education industry, that was really, really different. So if the business corporations, in my mind, are using it, I like to figure that we as educators can also leverage the technology and make some headway with it as well. One of the things that for me it was concerning, that I don't know if you mentioned it when we start talking, particularly for the HapYak, when you said it was used for business and also education. Was there a fee for this of some sorts? Is there something that I know once upon a time I found a program that I really enjoyed, but I had to go to school and administrators to get approval for them to pay for the actual the programs that I was interested in. So my concern was, is there a fee for it, Katie, that wasn't discussed earlier? And also, how can I be able to use this and leverage it? Because I'm teaching high school age students. I'm trying to figure out what requirements will be necessary that I got to really become a master of sorts before I can kind of introduce it to my students. When you start talking about remote learning, possibly going back into another situation where I know the start of the school semester, some students have the option from staying remote. So that's going to be very interesting on my end here in North Carolina, that we're facing a situation where some students respectfully may not have been physically in the classroom for 2 years. So I think that all of your technologies that you found are really great. They're awesome. I just want to close out by saying I think that you're a wonderful teacher. We're watching your posts and interacting through our correspondence with the semester requirements. I'm wishing you all the best for the new school year. Get some rest after this class is over with, and enjoy the 4th of July. Take the best of care, Katie. Thanks. Bye.